This is Dr. Corey Maas on Looking Your Best. Today I was talking a little bit with patients about how we can get our body shaped better, how stubborn areas of fat that just can't seem to go away, and these patients are incredibly athletic and are fitness people and eat good diets, and they still have the muffin top, and one of them had a little bit of a belly, and a husband and wife team, and really they were looking for ways to address these concerns and really have done all they can with regard to exercise, diet, and lifestyle things, and do it without surgery or without the downtime and the thought of even having surgery. And that's where CoolSculpting comes in. CoolSculpting is a newer technology, and I can tell you that over the last 5 years since it, or even 7 years since it really first came out, CoolSculpting has come a long way, and advancing it here in San Francisco has been a big part of it. The applications for CoolSculpting have gone from just really limited areas to really even treating most of the body. We can now treat under the neck with a new applicator, the Cool Mini. There's areas of treatment that we commonly do, like the muffin tops or the hip area. We can treat the lateral thigh, the so-called saddlebags, the abdomen or little bulge, even kind of a mini mommy makeover for that loose skin, because one of the benefits of CoolSculpting over liposuction is that there is some skin tightening effect when we do the CoolSculpting treatment. CoolSculpting technology takes advantage of the fact that fat cells are more susceptible to cold or freezing than are the surrounding tissue, skin and nerve and muscle tissue. And by putting the applicator on the skin surface and using suction that pulls the tissue into the machine head, we're able to selectively freeze unwanted fat, which is ultimately destroyed by lysis. The fat cells break, the lipids are released into the tissues, which creates an inflammatory response that destroys the fat and actually remodels the tissue, including the skin. And so one of the real benefits we've seen with CoolSculpting is that we can actually get some skin tightening that we never saw with liposuction. The process is really a consultation where we come in and look at these areas. I advise all of our patients to get to an ideal weight before they even consider the treatment. If you're planning on losing 5 pounds or 10 pounds, we can really even more effectively target the area that we want to treat and get a better result. So finding an ideal weight, whether you're a little heavy or you're thin, doesn't really matter. If there's unwanted fat, particularly fat that's resistant to exercise and diet changes, you're a good candidate for doing CoolSculpting. The treatment itself lasts for about an hour, a little bit longer. You'll come in, we'll apply an applicator to the skin surface once we've used the templates to measure the area and apply the right handpiece to the treatment area that we're going to do. And the treatment itself is quite comfortable once the suctioning and the coolness starts. Cool or cold by its nature has a very profound anesthetic effect. And once the treatment is complete, you can watch a movie, by the way, or one of the shows we have programmed on the iPads and really enjoy yourself for an hour, even get some work done on the computer. At the completion of the treatment, the applicator is removed, and the area that was actually treated will show an area of elevation or bulge. We have a special type of massage device that we use to make sure that it's all regular and very smooth as you leave here. We want to make sure, and we found that studies have shown that massaging the area after CoolSculpting is really important in getting the optimum smoothing result in the area of treatment. So a very special massage treatment head is used at the end of the treatment. A lot of people use manual massage, and when they describe discomfort with CoolSculpting, it's usually with that massage technique where they're physically massaging you think about it, and using the adaptive or high-frequency ultrasound type of massager, we found to be a very effective way of avoiding that very small amount of discomfort. I would describe it as being similar to when your arm falls asleep and it wakes up, if you've woken up or slept the wrong way, and that numb or tingly feeling in your hand occurs. The same effect happens with CoolSculpting. In all, this new technology is exciting because it offers a non-invasive approach to get really stubborn areas of unwanted fat removed in a comfortable way. It provides a little bit of skin tightening, and you can go about your business immediately. There's really no downtime or restriction in exercise or activity. In fact, we encourage people to exercise after the treatment. It's exciting to add dual sculpting, where you have 2 treatment heads. We can treat both love handles at the same time, saving over an hour of your time, so that you can come in and in a few months after the treatment has had its full effect, you'll be back in those jeans or that tiny black dress that you like so much. If you have any other questions about CoolSculpting, its technology, how it works, please feel free to call us. We're happy to answer any questions. You can look at CoolSculpting San Francisco or sfskinandbody.com and really find out a lot more information. As always, it's my pleasure to answer those questions and to take your time. This is Dr. Corey Maas on Looking Your Best.